Alright, so before I get into any of these 5 different steps, I just want to define exactly what a faceless YouTube channel is for anyone out there that has never heard of it. So it's simply a way for you to publish videos without having to sit in front of the camera like what I'm doing right now, and you're going to be able to make money through various different monetization strategies. For example, Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling your own products and services. There's going to be so many different options when it comes to you being able to generate a decent amount of money with a faceless YouTube channel. And when it comes to actually making the videos, you're not even going to have to do all of the work yourself because there's various different AI bots out there that you're going to be able to use. But first things first, one of the initial things that you need to be aware of is all of the different pros and cons that go into running a faceless YouTube channel. And I've broken down 2 different cons and 2 different pros right here. So starting off with one of the first cons, which is that it's harder to build a connection with the audience. One thing that I've noticed with various different faceless channels that I've tried to start is that it takes a little bit longer when it comes to building that organic connection with the person that's watching that video. And it's a lot easier to build a connection when it comes to you sitting down and showing your face on camera like what I'm doing right now. And due to the lack of connection that you're building with your audience and your viewers, it's going to lead to less opportunities for brand deals. So brand deals is one of the most profitable ways to monetize from a YouTube channel. It's where companies pay you to mention them in a video. However, when it comes to running a faceless channel, you're going to get less opportunities for all of these different companies reaching out to you. So moving on to one of the first pros that I'm going to discuss, which is that it's easier for you to automate various different elements that go into creating a faceless channel, which means that you're going to be able to have multiple different channels running at the same time if you wanted to. When it comes to creating a channel where you're showing your face on camera, you're not really going to be able to outsource that part of it, which means that a lot of your time is going to be taken up when it comes to making videos. However, when it comes to creating a faceless channel, you're going to be able to give this responsibility to someone else, which means that your time is going to be freed up to do other things. And moving on to the second pro, which is that you're going to be able to keep your privacy. One of the main reasons why a lot of people like to go down this route of not showing their face on camera is because they don't really want to put themselves out there. Maybe because they don't want people coming up to them in the street. Maybe they don't feel like they're good on camera. Whatever the case is, you're going to be able to have a lot of privacy when it comes to running a faceless channel. Alright, so swiftly moving on to the second most important thing that you guys need to be aware of, which is that you need to make sure that you pick a profitable niche. The most common mistake that a lot of beginners make is that they don't really understand that various different categories are going to pay you different amounts when it comes to the affiliate commissions that you could potentially make. When it comes to Google AdSense, not every single YouTube channel gets paid the same. And right here I've created this table just to kind of give you guys an idea of the types of categories and the niches that pay the most and some of the categories that pay the least. Like for example, make money online videos have a really high earning potential. Things like e-commerce, cryptocurrency, investing, all of these different categories are going to pay really good. Similar to social media, personal finance, tech, all of these ones are also high as well. However, when it comes to channels that are about vlogs and beauty, travel, animals, with these type of niches, you're going to have to get so many views for it to be beneficial for you to make videos on a consistent basis. Advertisers are willing to pay a lot more in ad fees when it comes to them being able to put their ads on these type of videos over here because they know that they're going to be able to get a really high return. However, the type of viewers that watch these type of videos are not necessarily spending a lot of money on products or services from YouTube ads that they might see. So make sure that you bear this in mind before you do anything else. It's very important to make sure that you do the right research to find a profitable niche before you start building out your channel. And it's also important to make sure that you've got the passion and the knowledge when it comes to being able to make videos about that particular niche over the long term. And this now brings me on to the third thing that you guys need to do when it comes to making money online with a faceless YouTube channel, which is that you need to study your competition. When I say competition, you need to find other faceless channels that are doing something similar to what you want to do and try and study exactly what's allowing them to be successful and replicate those similar things with your channel, whether it's the titles that they use, whether it's the thumbnail style that they do, whether it's the general videos that they make. You need to make sure that you spend time studying your competition so that you're going to be able to get an idea of exactly how to structure your videos. And to give you an example of what I'm talking about, let's say if I was looking to start a new channel in one of these really high paying categories, let's say if it was going to be cryptocurrency videos, what I'll do is that I'll just come over to YouTube just like this, type in cryptocurrency, scroll down and try and find a faceless channel. And there's this channel over here that got over 311,000 views in the last month on this particular video. So what I'll do is just click into their channel just like this. Then I'll make sure that their videos are definitely faceless. So I might just click into a random video. Let's click on this one over here. Yeah, so by the looks of it, it does seem like they make faceless videos, and it also seems like they're using various different stock images and stock videos for them to be able to produce all of this different content. And another way that you're going to be able to study your competition is by using a website called socialblade.com, because you're going to be able to search for any channels, see the stats and see how they're performing, and you're also going to be able to get an idea of exactly how much money they're making. Because for example, with this channel that we're looking at right now, as we can see over here, they've been able to get over 651,000 views in the last 30 days. And based on the fact that it's within the cryptocurrency niche and we already know that it's really high paying, they're most likely making, based on their views, over $20,000 to $30,000 in the last 30 days just from ad revenue alone. So for the fact that there's a cryptocurrency channel that's making videos and not showing their face, and they're getting the views that they're getting and making the money that they're making, shows the potential of what you could do if you decided to start one yourself. And this now brings me into the fourth step that you guys need to take, which is to create your first video. So there's a lot that goes into creating your first ever video, but I just want to give you guys the key things that you need to be aware of so that you're going to be able to create your video in the easiest way possible using various different AI bots. And one of the first bot that I would recommend that you look into is ChatGPT. So it's completely free to use. You're going to be able to sign up to it today by simply inputting your email address and verifying your phone number. And from this point, you're going to be able to ask this particular AI tool to create you a full YouTube script. But first you can ask it something like, can you give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a cryptocurrency channel? And then click on enter, and straight away it's gone to work, and it's now letting me know all of these different 10 YouTube video ideas that I can start working on. So let's say, for example, if I wanted to make a video about number one in the list, which is 10 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023, all I need to do is just copy it just like that, then come over here, paste it in there, and just add, can you give me an 8-minute YouTube video script for the title of the video, and then click on enter. And as you guessed it, it's gone straight to work to give me the entire script, word for word, exactly what I can say in the video, how I can say it, and all of the information that I need to know for me to produce this video. And then the next stage after all of that, when it comes to actually producing the video, is to use another AI tool or a video editing software called Invideo. And again, this is also free to use when it comes to playing around with it, seeing exactly how it works. And when it comes to making a video using this software, you're just going to simply come over here to where it says create new, then click on one of these different templates that suit the type of video that you're trying to create. So in this case, I may want to click into this one. Then all I simply need to do is copy the entire script from ChatGPT just like this, come over here, paste it in there just like that, and within 2 or 3 minutes it was able to come back with this entire video that of course I'm still going to make changes to. I need to go through all of it, update any of these different images or videos that I don't want to use, and you're also going to need to add a voiceover to the video by clicking on this section over here. But once you have gone through that entire process and you're completely happy with it, you're happy with the way that it looks, you're happy with the way that it sounds, and it's something that you do want to upload to your channel, the fifth step that you need to be aware of is actually publishing the video. And with this particular step, you're going to need to be aware of YouTube SEO, which is where you need to use the right keywords in the right places. For example, the title, the video description, the tags, for you to give the video the best chance of being ranked in the top of the search results. And you also need to be aware of exactly how to create the right thumbnail too. Now, as you can imagine, there's a lot that goes into this particular online business model. But if you want to see me make a more detailed video where I break down some other things that you need to be aware of, then put in the comments down below, do the faceless YouTube video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. But in the meantime, if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made where I break down the step-by-step process of what you need to know when it comes to using ChatGPT in a lot more detail than what I spoke about in this video, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.